The night sky is changing fast, and something big is happening above the dark clouds. Many astronomers have raised alarms that Polaris, the famous North Star, is showing strange signs in the deep sky. Even top scientists like deGrasse Tyson have confirmed this isn't just a random event under the stars. This shift in space could drastically change the look of the heavens we see each night from every rooftop. Polaris has always been a fixed point that helped guide sailors and skywatchers in every season. But now that brightness might fade, and that could change our entire view of the sparkling sky. For centuries, this glowing star near the celestial North Pole has served as a compass for travelers sailing across oceans or walking through forests. Its calm shine made it a symbol of hope in the sky, like a lantern in darkness. Now, its light might flicker in unexpected ways as experts watch the horizon. Polaris is nearing the final stage of its life, something scientists always knew would happen in the star-filled future. It's long been called the guiding star, leading people across deserts, seas, and snowy mountains. But that guidance might soon disappear from our sky charts forever. A huge discovery was made in September 2023 when the Royal Astronomical Society released a report under the vast skies. According to their data, Polaris might be moving closer to a supernova stage, which means it could explode and vanish from the night sky completely. Polaris looks still in the sky because it sits very close to the celestial pole, a spot around which other stars spin during night scenes. It belongs to the Ursa Minor constellation, that famous pattern seen near mountain ranges or frozen landscapes. Even though Polaris seems like one star twinkling above city lights, it's actually a triple star system glowing with deep energy. The system includes Polaris A, Polaris AB, and a third companion called Polaris B, all dancing together in orbit like actors in a space drama. From Earth's surface, their light blends together into a single sparkle. But inside that glow, each star tugs and pulls on the others with their gravity, causing shifts that affect brightness and rhythm, just like waves forming across a deep lake. A small disruption in their balance can cause strange changes in how the light shines in a quiet forest night. That's why the system has become such a mystery for modern astronomy teams who search the sky with powerful telescopes. Polaris is about 323 light-years away from Earth, meaning its light travels through time and space, across starfields, taking 323 years to reach our eyes. So if something already happened up there, we may not see it until decades pass across our night skies. In many cultures, it stood for strength and guidance, like a glowing torch over every scene. But now Polaris is not acting like itself, and scientists are deeply worried. It's no longer shining with its usual rhythm, and its pulsation cycle is offbeat like a broken drum at a mountain festival. That alone is a serious signal in the sky. Its brightness now jumps in strange ways, blinking unexpectedly as though something inside is struggling. This change tells astronomers that Polaris may be nearing the final phase of its star life, like a flame flickering before it fades over the horizon. A shocking sign came when scientists noticed that Polaris's pulsation period increased by 4.5 seconds. That might sound small, but in astronomy terms, it's like a sudden shift in a clock tower's ticking during a silent night. Some scientists believe the strong gravitational pull of the three stars inside Polaris is twisting its core, changing its energy like wind twisting a candle flame. Others say this points to an approaching supernova, a rare and powerful event in the sky. This same situation is being seen with Betelgeuse, another famous star in the Orion constellation that also dims and brightens in a strange rhythm. That star has been under close watch, like a mystery unfolding above sand dunes and snowy cliffs. NASA has set up tight observation programs for Betelgeuse, waiting to catch any sign of a supernova light bursting across the heavens. But no such close monitoring has been done for Polaris, leaving a cloud of uncertainty hanging in the twilight. Stars, like humans, go through life cycles, starting as small bright dots then growing bigger with time. They burn hydrogen in their hearts using nuclear fusion, giving light to planets and skies across galaxies. Later, they grow into red giants, heating up like campfires in cold valleys. Eventually, they collapse into supernovas, scattering their dust into the wind and painting the sky in bright flashes over silent oceans. If Polaris explodes, the sky might glow like never before. This light could last for days or even weeks, creating a beautiful sky show above rooftops and deserts. It would be a once-in-a-lifetime moment, glowing brighter than anything else in the night. Polaris might shine in bright colors, blue, red, gold, changing how we view constellations like Ursa Major and Ursa Minor. It would permanently change how we read the stars, especially in the northern hemisphere, seen from icy lakes and high towers. Despite its size, Polaris is far enough that its explosion won't harm Earth or change anything on the ground. Experts have reassured us that no danger comes with this distant supernova, just a bright light show in the sky. Even if it doesn't explode like Betelgeuse might, Polaris will still be a stunning feature, outshining nearby stars and dominating the night like a glowing king above dark mountains. Its legacy will light up books, art, and memories from every town square. This could be the most stunning sky event in a generation, something that kids and adults alike will remember forever. It might even turn night walks into magical experiences filled with wonder as we stare up from fields and cities. To stay updated on any major change, it's important to follow reports from top observatories and astronomy groups, who keep their eyes on the sky day and night. These teams help us understand space as we walk under it daily. No one knows for sure what will happen, but Polaris reminds us that the universe is always changing above the calm lakes and busy streets. The sky we know might shift again, and we'll be there to watch history light up. This could be the end of one bright chapter or the beginning of something beyond imagination. The stars are not just lights, they're storytellers in the sky, whispering across centuries to everyone who looks up from rooftops or valleys. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.